So good morning students. Today we are going to learn about coordinate geometry. That is the third chapter of the mathematics. Okay. So let's start coordinate geometry. The very third chapter. Coordinate geometry. So all of you would be knowing that what is the coordinate geometry or what we learn in coordinate geometry. It's nothing but about the plane, that is x and y axis. So first of all we should learn about the Cartesian plane. The very first topic you should know is the Cartesian plane. If we come to know about Cartesian plane, we will be able to plot the points. So very first and important topic is the Cartesian plane. For drawing a Cartesian plane, you have to draw the two lines, x-axis and y-axis, which are to be intersected at a point. Okay students? So here x and y axis, the region where x and y axis are to be drawn is called the Cartesian plane. So I have drawn it on my blackboard. If you draw it on a graph paper, the graph paper where you have drawn the x and y axis is your Cartesian plane. Okay? While writing it, we write it x dash, y dash. Okay? And in this, the very important thing is that if we are plotting a Cartesian plane, that is x and y axis, the second thing you should know is the number line. You all would have learned about the number line. So while drawing a number line, if I take a number line, okay, here you have to write 0, positive numbers on the right hand side, negative numbers on the left hand side. Okay, so in the same way how we are writing it on the number line, the same way we have to write it on the axis. So for x axis, these are the positive numbers, and for y axis, the positive numbers are to be written above the plane, and for x axis, the negative numbers on the left hand side, and for y it is written below the plane. Okay, so if you have to remember this in short, you may write this box. For x-axis, positive numbers on right hand side. For x-axis, negative number on the left hand side. In the same way, for y-axis, positive are to be written above the plane, negative are to be written below the plane. You have to make this chart for your remembrance. Okay, so it will be easy for all of us to plot the points when we take, that is exercise 3.2 for you. You have to just do the plotting of the points. Okay students? I would like to tell you one more topic which is given in this is that, what is this point called? Everyone would be knowing it. What is the point of intersection of x and y axis called? So I will tell you, the intersection of x and y axis is called the origin, which is denoted by letter O. So you have to remember, you have to make it a point that intersection of x and y axis is called origin. Okay students, you have to make it a point, you have to write it down. If you will make it a note, it will be remembered for you and you can remember it very well. So you would have understood the basic point, that is the Cartesian plane, intersection point, number line. According to it, we are going to plot some points which are given in your textbook as example, and I would take some other examples for you. You draw x-axis and y-axis. This is your x dash, y dash. So what I have told you how to plot the number line on axis is, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. In the same way, the negative points on the left hand side, positive numbers above the plane, and negative numbers below the plane. Okay students, I shall take an example, that is 3, 2. This is your point. Name it as A. Now tell me, which is the x coordinate and which is the y coordinate in the given point? So whenever we write a point in two letters, they are called the coordinates. Together they are called as coordinates of a point. So while writing the coordinates of a point, you may tell that the first is the x coordinate and second number is the y coordinate. So coordinate of the points are written in the form x comma y. This is a very important note to be done, that is coordinates of a point are written in the form x comma y. So the first word or the first point is for x axis and the second is for the y axis. So if I have taken this example, here 3 is the x coordinate, 2 is the y coordinate. Okay. So where is 3 point on x axis? The very easy thing you have to do is draw perpendicular at point 3. The second is 2. The 2 of y axis, draw the perpendicular at 2. After drawing the perpendiculars, you get an intersection point. So the point where both the lines intersect is our required point, that is 3, 2. Okay. So the easiest way that you have to do is draw the perpendiculars at the point given. Is -4, 3. Okay. So here the x coordinate is -4, y coordinate is 3. Name it as B point. So it will be easy for you now to draw is where is -4 of x axis? This. So you have to draw the perpendicular at -4. So students, perpendicular can be drawn above, it can be drawn below. Okay. So if you have any doubt that why we have drawn below not above, so you draw a straight line going from -4. The next is 3. 3 is of y axis. So here is the 3 of y axis. You have to draw the perpendicular. Now where the points meet is, this is your required point. Okay. So after drawing the perpendicular, you get an intersection point and that is our required point. I want all of you to draw it in your notebooks. The examples which I am going to give you and you are going to try it in your notebook. Okay. These are the examples which you will try it in your graph notebook. Plot the points, and if you have any doubt about plotting the points, you are going to ask me in your session. Okay students?